Hi healthy food lovers! My name is Kate and I do love delicious and healthy food. If you are into active and/or healthy lifestyle, then stay with me because today we will discuss one of the most wholesome powders ever, pumpkin seed protein powder. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of essential nutrients, including minerals, proteins, and fats. Their health benefits are just endless, from maintenance of proper heart functioning, immune system support, to blood sugar level regulation and fertility. After undergoing a cold press, organic pumpkin seeds are gently milled into fine powder. Due to low temperature during this process, we're able to preserve the seed's exceptional features, one of which is tryptophan, an essential amino acid that synthesizes serotonin and melatonin neurotransmitters needed for mood and sleep cycle regulations. The powder is also loaded with dietary fiber and essential fatty acids, aiding the maintenance of optimal health. Pumpkin seed powder is an excellent plant-based protein alternative, not only for sports nutrition, but for protein-rich meals and snacks. It is a single ingredient powder which contains no additives and is perfect for sensitive stomachs. Pumpkin protein has a smooth, nutty flavor which mixes well with a variety of foods. Appreciate the power of plant protein and drop a scoop into your smoothies, sports nutrition meals, and salad dressings. Use it in baking, soups, omelets, sauces, and juices. Food to Live offers pumpkin protein powder made of raw and toasted pepitas. Our clean and pure protein powders are appropriate for vegan and vegetarian diets. However, we recommend them to everyone. Now, let's make a spooky recipe.